Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be fishing on the Mississippi River for common carp and catfish. Now it's been pretty rough lately. We went out like 3 times in the past couple weeks and we haven't caught anything, so I'm going to set up the ice shack right now and we're going to get to fishing. Hey guys, so we set up the shanty and we're just chilling in here now. We started the heater and Josh is standing right there. He just got a bite actually, but it didn't take it again, so probably just like it hit his line or something like that. But it's kind of raining outside right now. It started raining a lot more, so we're just gonna chill in here. Hopefully we catch a few fish. It's like the 3rd time we're going fishing without catching a fish, so I'm gonna start a time lapse right now, and hopefully by the end of that we catch fish. Okay guys, so I just went down, I went upstream a bit and found a spot that that looks pretty promising. I think we're gonna go try that spot right now, and I'm just gonna take the rod. I'm not gonna take this camera because we're just gonna stay there for like half an hour, not more. And we're gonna walk down there, hopefully catch a few. Yeah, I'll see you guys then. We're walking to the spot and my boots are wet. I forgot to wear snow pants today, so that kind of sucks. But it's fine. It's fine. It's not that cold anyways, so we'll be fine. The big problem is this snow. It wasn't there. That's so weird.
Oh.
Took my bait. Literally.
Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish. Mikey, take that. That's a fish.
Missed him.
Dude, that was a fish. Did
Yeah.
you see that?
Yeah.
Dang it.
So we've been fishing on that spot over there. We went last time for like 3 hours. This time we've been here for like 2 hours already. And we haven't been catching anything. So this just shows good fish, right baits, everything. But the spot is key. And especially on rivers. So we've been here for like 15 minutes, you think?
No, not less.
Like 10 minutes, and we've gotten 3 bites already. So that's pretty crazy.
2 missed fish and 1 fish. Yep.
Get money from you.
That one?
Dude, this thing's so big. Get the camera,
Okay.
All the way up there, dude.
Okay, guys. Mikey.
Dude, this thing is giant.
Oh, man. Oh,
You wanna like make sure I'm all focused and everything?
yeah. Sure.
This is either like I feel like it's a catfish, bro. Like I'm not joking. But he keeps on going up and down the stream.
That's
He
what.
feels some serious drag.
Yeah, that's у меня тоже. Should I get my line in?
It's a carp.
It's a carp.
I think he's under your line, so I think you should, I know, he's in your line.
Yep.
It's pretty
Decent.
size, dude.
That's a nice.
That's a nice one here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh
Here.
yeah.
Yeah, here 1 sec. I'm gonna net it.
Get it. Get it. Get it. No. Yes.
Yeah.
Woo! Got him.
Right there, guys. First fish of the day for me, and this is a quality one. Probably 9 or 8 pounds. Right there. It's middle of March. We're catching tank carp on the river. Let them go.
Yep.
You want to stand up so you get a better visual on them?
Tell me, I'm not good at it.
Recording?